Hello students. Today we are going to talk about stereochemistry, that is the topic related in your chapter number 10, haloalkenes and haloarenes. Today we will talk about retention, racemization, enantiomers, optical activity, chiral carbon and plane polarized light. So let's start with the plane polarized light. Students, you know that very well that light is made by light trouble in many directions. हमें लाइट जो है वो कई डायरेक्शन में ट्रेवल करते हुए दिखती है, लाइक दिस. So these are the directions of light. Light can travel in any direction, but once it pass through the Nicol prism. Nicol prism से जब एक लाइट रे इसमें से हम पास कराते हैं, then it changes its direction and they converted into unidirectional rays. ये यूनिडायरेक्शन में आ जाती हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड प्लेन पोलराइज्ड लाइट. नाउ हाउ इट हैपन, सी सपोज these are the light rays and they are passing across, okay, and once suppose they are passed through the window which have the grill. This is the window which have the grill. Once they pass from here, what will happen? The vertical rays will only pass and all the rays will be stopped by the grill, right? This horizontal ray is stopped by the grill only. Suppose this is window having the grills, and when light pass, the vertical one will pass only, the horizontal one will stop by the grill. Similar work have been performed by the Nicol prism. Nicol prism converted into the Nicol prism only allow the light which is in this direction. Unidirectional light will be passed. This is called plane polarized light. Now when plane polarized light is passed from a solution, कोई solution से जब हम इसको pass करते हैं, if the solution contain optically active compound, अगर solution में optically active compound है, right, तो क्या करेगा? either that compound will rotate the plane polarized light into right direction or into left direction. किसी एक डायरेक्शन में ये प्लेन पोलराइज्ड लाइट को रोटेट करेगा. इफ सपोज इट रोटेटिंग प्लेन पोलराइज्ड लाइट इनटू राइट डायरेक्शन, देन इट इज कॉल्ड डेक्स्ट्रो. डेक्स्ट्रो मीन्स राइट, रोटेटरी यानी राइट में रोटेट कर दिया, एंड रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय स्मॉल लेटर डी और प्लस साइन. प्लस या स्मॉल डी से हम इसको रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, इफ सपोज प्लेन पोलराइज इज that compound is rotated, the plane polarized light into the left direction, then it is called levorotatory, okay, and shown by small letter L or minus sign. How much direction is rotated by that compound, that is experimentally taken out, and also it is taken out by the polarimeter. So these are not the term in your syllabus, only this thing you need to understand. Now let's come into the next, that is chiral carbon. In your stereochemistry, the chirality is very important property. The chiral carbon shows the property of chirality. Now what is chiral carbon? Chiral carbon is a carbon which is attached with 4 different groups. You know that there are 4 valency of carbon is tetravalence, and in all the valency it attached with different group including hydrogen. See here one in example. Here you can see the carbon is attached from one side chlorine, another side ethyl, another side methyl, and here you can see it is hydrogen. So carbon is attached with the 4 different group from all 4 valency, and it is present in sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization is this state of carbon present in sp3 hybridization state. So this is chiral carbon shown by asterisk sign. asterisk sign हम उस पर लगा के उसको शो कर देते हैं, right? If suppose, what will be the mirror image of this compound? What is this compound? 1 2 3 4 butane 2 chlorobutane. 2-chlorobutyne, यहाँ पे देखो इसका अगर हम इसके सामने मिरर रख दें तो कैसा, what will be the compound form? This Cl, this is the carbon here on the right hand side, here on the left hand side Cl, then H, then CS3, CS2, C2H5, C2H5. So this is its mirror image. If suppose this compound is rotating plane polarized light into right direction, then it will rotate the plane polarized into the left direction. Then it is not superimposable. एक सा structure नहीं है. Suppose this is the first structure, and if you are taking second structure over here, then it will come like this. The thumb will come over here, and this is first part of the thumb, first hand thumb, this is second hand thumb. So what will happen, the image is not superimposable, एक दूसरे के ऊपर फिट नहीं बैठती, right? So they are called enantiomer. They are mirror image but not superimposable, right? So they are called enantiomers. And if suppose this compound is rotating plane polarized light into right direction and this is rotating into left direction, then the mixture of both the compound, right, the mixture of both the compound is called racemic mixture. What is it? Racemic mixture. What is racemic mixture? Suppose this is compound A and this is compound B. So mixture of A plus B is a racemic mixture. Okay, and preparation of this mixture is called racemization. Getting it? Preparation of this mixture is called racemization. So what is enantiomer? Enantiomer is the mirror image, right? Okay, and what is racemic mixture? Racemic mixture is the mixture of two compound, right, which is 50-50. Later on also I will talk to 50-50, 50% A, 50% B. So what will happen? One is rotating plane polarized into right direction, another is rotating plane polarized into left direction. So in this way it will be cancel their effect and there will be no effect in the solution. In that way the compound will be optically inactive. Okay, here you can see another example with the lactic acid. This is lactic acid, CH3, C, CH, OH, COOH. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 2-hydroxypropanoic acid. So this is lactic acid. Now when you look into the mirror, what will happen? This type of structure we will form. This is hydrogen. Here it is the carbon, OH and CH3. Okay, so this is mirror image. But if you take out the complete molecule and keep over there, then it will not be superimposable. What will be there? It will not be superimposable, but it is a mirror image. It is a mirror image of each other. So in this way we can say the enantiomers are the mirror image, but they are not superimposable. And racemic mixture is a mixture, optically inactive mixture of two compounds in which they mutually cancel their effect. We have two compound A and compound B. Compound A rotate the plane polarized light into right direction. So we can write D, yani dextrorotatory or plus. What is the name of this compound? This is 2-chlorobutane. So 2-chlorobutane, D plus 2-chlorobutane. If we put the mirror right in front of it, we will get this structure, and this is L yani LiVo minus 2-chlorobutane. So B is mirror image of A. Both they are optical isomer. But if we take complete molecule B from here and put over the A, then it is not superimposable. Why? Because see, chlorine is here on the left hand side, but here it is in the right hand side. So they are inversed but not superimposed. So this type of structure which are mirror imaged but not superimposable over each other are called enantiomer. So they are enantiomer, or we can say they are stereoisomer, right? This is what optical isomerism. Now when we mix both the compound D plus 2 chlorobutane and L minus 2 chlorobutane, what we will get? We will get racemic mixture. What is racemic mixture? Compound optically inactive compound. This will be not optically active, right? So conversion of enantiomer into racemic mixture. enantiomer को racemic mixture में convert करना क्या कहलाता है? Racemization. What is racemization? Converting enantiomers into the process of conversion of enantiomer into the racemic mixture. Now let's see one example here. Suppose this is a container over which we have taken a liquid compound, right? We have 50% we have taken compound A, right? A taken 50%, which is dextrorotatory, and 50% compound we have taken B, which is levorotatory. So what will happen once the plane polarized light pass through the compound? The A compound rotate the light into right direction, and in the mixture B compound is rotating the light into left direction. So they mutually cancel their effect, and we will get the same kind of plane polarized light. So this type of mixture is called racemic mixture. What is racemic mixture? Racemic mixture is equimolecular mixture of two optically active compound, right, which cannot rotate plane polarized light. Why? Because due to mutual cancellation. So here, what is conversion of enantiomer into racemic mixture? That is racemization. Okay. Now students, here you can see what is inversion, retention and racemization. Racemization, as I have told you, the conversion of enantiomer into the racemic mixture is called racemization. What is racemic mixture? An equimolar mixture. Here you can note an equimolar mixture of two enantiomer, that is 50-50% D and L form, which result in zero rotation. इसमें क्या होगा? प्लेन पोलराइज का रोटेशन जो है वो जीरो हो जाएगा. Hence racemic mixture is obtained. Racemic mixture is optically inactive. So hence the racemic mixture will be optically inactive. Right, here I have taken one example. Suppose this is the 2-halobutane, right? Here you can see this is the main product. This is the main product I have taken. If suppose we got the product B from here, right? Here you can see C2H5HXCS3. If it is inverse, ये ऐसा है, और अगर ये ऐसे हो जाता है, इन्वर्स हो जाता है, यानी मिरर इमेज हो जाती है, राइट? तो इसको बोलेंगे इन्वर्जन ऑफ मेन मॉलिक्यूल. सपोज दिस इज C. Inversion of C, then we will get B. So this process, when left change into the right and right change into the left, is called inversion of molecule. And if suppose we got the same molecule after reaction, then it is retention. Retention मतलब कोई भी change नहीं होगा. This molecule will be superimposable on A. This is A molecule. So C will be superimposable on A. That means the C retain its molecular structure. Okay, if suppose both we got A and B, यानी डेक्स्ट्रोरोटेटरी और लीवरोटेटरी दोनों हमको मिलता है, तो वो हम कहेंगे कि ये क्या है, ये रेसिमिक मिक्सचर है। सो आई होप इट इज क्लियर फॉर यू व्हाट इज रिटेंशन, इन्वर्जन, रेसिमाइजेशन, रेसिमिक मिक्सचर, ऑप्टिकल एक्टिविटी, प्लेन पोलराइज्ड लाइट, chiral carbon. So all this we have seen in this video. Thank you.